promise. Even though you could be so aggravating with your.
So today I want to talk to you about affordability in golf. How you can play golf and afford to play it. It's quite an expensive hobby, but if you got the right idea on how you want to play this game, it can come out very cheap. There are a whole bunch of ways you can do this and not spend a whole bunch of money on doing it. I do it every week. Try to play every Monday. I might spend an average of $48 for a round, but I have had my clubs for 10, 15 years, I guess. I don't know. It's been a while. Since 2006, maybe 20 years, I've had my clubs. So you can play with the same clubs. You don't have to keep buying new clubs and all that stuff like that. But it is possible to play cheap golf. You know, I've been playing this game for a very long time, and I come to realize that golf is hard. So this is hard.